Hello everybody! So today it's the end of 365 challenge that I put up on myself. That means every day a video for a full year, and I wanted to celebrate with you. That's why I bought this right here. So let's crack it open. I hope I won't hit anything. And whoppa! Woo! Congratulations! Cheers, people! Cheers! Cheers to you guys! Now, I wanted to do that big announcement right here because I'm really excited over here. I can't tell you how much I'm thrilled because it was a year of full videos that I did every single year. And you know what? I didn't believe in that myself. I didn't believe I can do that. I haven't thought I can make it the whole year all the time. You know, the first month, the second month, the third month, I thought, how can I bring more content? How can I do it every day? It's a full year that I dedicated for every single day bring a video. And I was shocked that I even got it. I was shocked that I even got it every day, a new content like that. Boom, bam, bam, find new method, find a new thing to bring more content. How can I be out there? And you know what? What focused me the most was my mission. Because not just, not for any reason. That's why also I have this right here, that target in front of me to remind me to keep my eye on the target. Keep my eyes not on the prize, because that's not a correct term for me. It's more keep my eyes on the mission. And my mission is to impact as many people as I can to really make a change right here. And that's why I commit to that challenge for 365 days. And you know, I'm sure you can do it as well. When you want something and you really want it, if it's your business, if it's a relationship, getting into fit, no matter what it is. And I talked about it yesterday, how can you keep up being consistent? And that is basically keep your eyes on your mission, not on the prize, because the prize, it's like getting to the end of it. We don't want that. We want to enjoy the road. We want to enjoy what we are doing, not to wait until we get there and then enjoy. You know, because every day that I produce the video, I enjoy it, because I know if I can change one person's life, it makes my heart warm. I feel excited. It feels good to me. And also I want to thank you guys for being here. Invest your time doing, commenting, sharing. I love that. I love to see that, and that makes me even more alive. Every time that I see a comment, every time that I see a like, every time that I see that a share, that means it impacts someone. That means it did the work, and that's why I was so thrilled every day to bring videos right here. And that's why I tell you, when you focus on your mission, keep your eyes on your mission, not on the prize, on the mission, you enjoy the road every single day. Find something that burn you, find something that burn the desire in you, that you will have that passion in you every single day. And you know what? I'm not a robot. I had those days when I fell down. I had those days when I didn't feel like it bringing more content. Sometimes I had like, okay, what should I bring today? Or sometimes I was sick. Sometimes I was in travel and like, no, I'm traveling. Maybe I should give it a rest. But no. When you make a commitment, when you have your mission really strong in front of you, your vision, if you will, then it keeps you motivated every time when you remember it. And yeah, you will feel low from time to time. Yeah, you will feel not driven all the time. Yeah, it will happen. It will happen. But the most important thing is to get back on the horse immediately. Not in a few weeks, not in a few months. And I've been in those places where it took me months to get back to my track. But since I have my mission, since I have the purpose, Then I get back on the horse like that. And not just waiting like, okay, maybe I should do that, maybe another day, maybe tomorrow, maybe and the mind keeps talking to ours like over and over. Okay, maybe tomorrow, maybe next time, wait for it, it's not the right moment, it's not the right time, your content is not good enough, maybe it won't be good enough. And you know what, there were days where I filmed, and I kid you not, that wasn't live, that was videos that I filmed around 2 hours a day, and I edited 2 hours more every day, because I wanted to be perfect. I wanted to be great. I wanted to be the best content ever. And actually, the best content ever is when you deliver what helps you. When you deliver something that you truly believe in. Not something fake, not something that you haven't tried. When you truly believe in something and you know it works, then you can actually pass it on. Even if it's something that you just learned and it makes you excited, you can pass it on. If you want to bring content as well, that's the way to do it. There are a lot of matters more, but let's focus on that. To be consistent, you create that mission for yourself that keeps your burning, that keeps that passion in you every day. And yeah, like I said, you will have those days that you will feel low. I know I repeat it because it's very important. Repetition is mother of skill. So remember, repeat it until you nail it. So do that mission. Focus on your mission every time. Yeah, when you feel low, think about it this way. Focus on the mission and get back on track. That's the way you can keep up and be really consistent with time. And one more thing about being consistent, you can also try apps like Don't Break That Chain. Amazing app. I love that app. And Productive, also great app. When you actually see your progress every day, and if you miss that and you break the chain, you kind of start over. And that will also build you a very strong habits in your life. So you can go and jump it out. I would love to hear how is it going for you. And did you try the 13 days challenge that we talked about yesterday? If not, let's make that commitment together. Let's make it accountability. What is it that you're going to commit for 14 days? Just 14 days. Don't try to go over the top. Focus on those 14 days. What is it? Don't overwhelm yourself. Is it bringing new content? Something that will take you to the next step. Is it going out live? Is it working out? Is it being with your spouse? Whatever it is, working on your business, working on your product, whatever it is, focus on one thing that you want to get to the next level, and you delay the most. That's the thing you got to do. And when you do it, think about your why. Why do you want it? What is the mission behind it? When you have your mission plus the challenge itself, then it will equal consistent. That way you can actually preserve that consistency. And I would love to hear it. So what is it? Let's make that commitment. Let's make that change. Don't wait up for something to happen. Start to make the change now. So what is it? Let's celebrate together the 365 challenge. Let's celebrate together what is it that you want to make, to do, to take it to the next level, to move your needle. What is it? So comment below. Let's make that commitment together. And you're welcome, if you have more questions, you're welcome to ask right here. Just comment below. I will love to help you. Now, what is up next? What is next? So the 365 challenge may end it, but there are more things to come. Yeah, I won't be present every day. That's for sure. I won't be present every day. Yeah, I know it could be sucks, but let's keep it that way. I'm still be here. I will be here once a week when I will go with a training. I will announce the day. I will announce the hours. Wait up for it. Every week there's going to be a training and Q&A that we can go together and take to the next level and really focus on your goals that you can achieve them and not just wait for them to happen. that it won't be just something that you write there on your vision board, to make it concrete and real. And that's why I committed, because like I said, my mission is to impact as many people as I can. That's why I'm going to do that training every week. So keep your eyes for that. It will be up. I will create events every week that you will know when is the time I go live for a live training. And what else? Let's see. That's why I wrote it down here, so excuse me for that, because I wanted to go with everything. I don't want to miss a thing here. Okay, so also a new projects. That's why I'm going to stop to go every day live, because new projects coming in, and that takes a lot of my time, and I want to bring more value and help more people. And right now is the thing that I focus is a new masterclass that will help you to take yourself to the next level with productivity. How can you manage your time, earn more time your day, and actually be consistent with that and creating those habits and make it to the next level. So wait for it. I will announce the day. I will announce the date. It will happen. But in time, wait for it. You will know right here in the group. So let's see what else. Like I said, more projects are coming in, more masterclasses, more courses. So that's why I'm going to dedicate more time to that, but still going to be here once a week with a live training and Q&A. And that's it for now. So we'll wait for all the news that's going to come up. And really, I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me, not just today, but throughout the year. That was amazing journey. And like I said, yeah, there were times when I doubted myself. I couldn't believe that I will make a year. But when you put up a challenge, you enjoy the road. And when you have your mission, damn, you're fired up. Damn, you have your passion. So work on the mission, and you're welcome to share that with us, because when you share it, you actually make it real. You're not caring about what the fuck other people say. You are with your mission. You are strong. You can make it. You can do it, because you don't care about what other people say. So that's why it's very important to come and when you are to become aware to it, and not just aware, but also don't give a fuck about what others say. Actually make it your own when you have your passion in it. So I would love to hear, what is the mission? What is your mission? And what is the 30-day challenge that you're taking about yourself? I know there are a lot of things here in the live videos. I got excited, so a lot from here, a lot from there. So yeah, I was a bit all over the place. But again, I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me, liking, sharing, commenting, doing those exercises with me throughout the year. That was incredible. I really feel alive every day when I'm here with you guys, and that's why I will keep on with live training once a week, at least once a week. Could be I will pop up from time to time alive as well, so wait up for that. Again, appreciate you. And if you like this content, I would love to know. So just comment and give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out on an episode. And have an amazing and productive day. One more thing I want to say before I go. Again, that was an incredible year. And you know why? You know what? Why did I create that group? I will also go a quick live about it. I created that group because I wanted to create that place for entrepreneurs to have their safe place, that they can post at their challenges, their mission, to have kind of a mastermind, if you will, to really help one another. That's why I create the Rise Up group. And I would love to hear your thoughts around that. If you are going to be part of the group and you're watching it on YouTube, you can see the link down below, right in the description below, and come and join to our family, and let's rise up all together and let's make it happen. Not waiting for something to happen, make it happen. So again, have a great and productive day, and I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me today and throughout the year. That was amazing challenge. We got it, I got it, we got it together, the 365 challenge. And have an amazing, again, productive day. I will see you next time. You will know the next time I will go on a live training, and have a great one.